Our physics project was to have a roller coaster that uses gravity to make the ball move through the roller coaster. And we also use friction to slow the ball down so it won't fly off the course. We use Newton's laws with the bouncy ball. We used every action has an opposite and equal reaction because the marble would just fly off the track. So we used the bouncy ball so it bounce off and go back onto the course.
So when the ball wasn't doing what we wanted it to, we just went and we fixed it. We used these little paper slips to add more friction because the ball had too much kinetic energy.
Well, it uses gravity to make the ball go down, and for the loop, it uses centripetal force, and it uses friction to slow the ball down.
We put a little marker where the drop point is, and the drop point is where the ball will do the whole roller coaster. It will have the right amount of momentum. And so when you drop it, it goes around a loop, and then it bounces off a bouncy ball and goes under that track and goes onto another track and goes down into this little platform, and it drops down 3 different platforms.
And so you drop it in at the arrow because if you dropped it lower, it wouldn't have enough energy to go around the loop-de-loop. And if you put it up too high, then it would have too much potential energy, so it would just fly off the rebound. And then so you drop it in at the arrow, and then it goes down, and then you do a loop-de-loop. And then there's a little hump to give it a little more energy. And then you rebound it. And then it comes down onto a curve that's kind of almost upside down. And then there's another bouncy ball that rebounds, and then it goes into a tunnel, which is like a tube. And then so it comes out the other end, and then it goes on these little slanted boards, and then it goes into the cup. You need physics to explain pretty much everything that moves.
Physics is important because without it, the world wouldn't be the same.